Hello beautiful people, welcome to Code Yatra. So in this video our topic is Python language. Okay, first of all download VS Code if you have not downloaded it yet, and if you don't want to download it, just come on online compiler and let's learn now. First of all, I have created a folder named Python and now a new file. I am naming it first.py. Let's minimize it. Okay, so first of all the question came to our mind whenever we see this word Python, C++, Java or any language. Why the need of this language, and what do I mean when I say Python? Python is a coding language is a programming language. Okay, and we use it is used for web development, data analysis, artificial intelligence, scientific computing and more. Okay, what is the need of Python or need of any language? Basically it is need Python, we want Python or any language is because I want my computer to work. I want to give it my language, okay? Because computer only knows binary language. Computer only knows binary language. Only knows 0, 1. ठीक है, बट आई वॉन्ट कि कंप्यूटर कोड समझे. ठीक है, कंप्यूटर नो वट एम आई वॉन्टिंग इट टू डू. इफ आई वॉन्ट सम development of game, then it should know it, right? So I have to explain it in some way, so I explain it through the language, through any type of language. So I am choosing Python because Python is a beginner friendly language. So we are starting with Python. It is easy to read and write, right? So this is the major reason that why we are using Python. We want to write code to explain work to computer in our language. Okay, so what are the topic of we are taking in this lecture are first variables. What is variables? Variable is basically a container to store data. Okay, suppose I have a container named A equals to the data is 10. Now I want print A. And I start, and you can see that I have now this 10. I have this container named name. Name equals to John, and now I will write age equal to 25, height equal to 5.9, and I want to print. So basically these are what variables. Okay, what are variables here? If I say what are variables here, examples are A, name, age, height. Okay, if I will print these things, we will get it as it is. Ten, John. Okay. Now the next question which came to our mind is that, ma'am, you did not use these commas when you were writing a equal to 10, when you wrote age equal to 25, when you wrote height equal to 5.9. Why did not you use these commas which you use when you wrote name equal to John? Right? Now our next topic is data types. And the data types, where we write data types are of 5 types. We have 5 types. Integer. First is integer. It is a whole number and we don't need any type of these commas when we are writing any integers, right? Next is string. String. It is a sequence of characters, basically text. And when it need commas when you are writing any type of string, any type of text, which I wrote here John, which I wrote here address. So this is any type of text and I have to use these commas. When I will not use it, if I will not use it, I will write it as it is India and I will run the code. It will say that address equal to India is not defined what it is. When I use these commas, it defines that this is a string. Now our next data type is, you can see I used decimal here. So it is called as float, a decimal number. Next is boolean. Here we use true, false. Like I wrote here is a student is what variable, and I equated it with true. Equated it with true, and it is boolean here. True false value. It will be codified with true false value. Next is none. Absence of value. It represents absence of value. When I have nothing to say, like x equal to none, and I said print x, तो मेरे पास यहाँ पे none भी आ गया. ठीक है. Next topic is comments. What is comment? It is used to explain the code not executed by the computer, not accepted by the Python language. Now comment are of two types. First, it is single line comment. Single line comment is used with this hashtag. Multi-line comment, if I have to use it, multi-line comment is used with this comma. You have to use it 3 times. Okay, if for example I wrote here and have written that this is our first lecture, and I have to now change the line of Python. And if I want to say do same thing with this single line comment, this is our first lecture. Now I have to change the line of Python. You can see it does not allow it to change the line. I have to write again a hashtag here. So this is how it works. Okay guys, thank you for watching this video till the end.